everyone! Welcome back! Today, we are going to color a beautiful house together. Yes, a house, the place where we live, play, and rest. Are you ready? Let's start step by step and while coloring. We will also learn the function of each part of the house. Let's go! First, we start with the list plank. Do you see the small board right under the roof? That's called the list plank. Let's color it with a soft pink. Pink makes the house look cheerful and sweet. The list plank is not just decoration. It also helps cover the edge of the roof, making the house look neat and tidy. Now, let's move to the roof. A house always needs a roof, right? We will use a bright orange color to make it look warm and shiny. The roof has a very important job. It protects us from the hot sun, from heavy rain, and even from strong winds. Thanks to the roof, we can stay dry and safe inside the house. Next, let's color the windows. Windows are like the eyes of the house. We will use light blue, just like the clear sky. Windows let fresh air come in, and they also let the sunshine brighten the rooms. And of course, through the windows, we can look outside and enjoy the view. Now, let's move to the door. We will also use pink here, so it matches the list plank. The door is very special. It is the main entrance to the house. We open the door to come inside, and we close it to keep the house safe and private. The door welcomes guests, friends, and family. Let's now color the floor. We will use orange to make it warm and strong. The floor is where we walk, where we sit, and sometimes where children play. It holds everything inside the house: the furniture, the chairs, the tables. Imagine if a house had no floor. We couldn't stand or play properly. Now we move to the walls. Walls are big and wide, so let's use a beautiful bright blue. The walls are like the shield of the house. They make the house strong, give us privacy, and protect us from the outside. Thanks to the walls, we can feel safe and cozy inside. What about the sky above the house? Let's add some fluffy clouds and color them with light blue. Clouds make the sky look beautiful and soft. And don't forget, clouds also bring rain. Rain helps plants grow, fills the rivers, and gives water for us to drink. And now for the last touch, let's add grass around the house. We will use green, the color of nature. Grass makes the yard look fresh, cool, and clean. It also gives us oxygen, which is the air we breathe. When we see green grass, it means a healthy and happy environment. And we're done! Wow, look at that! Our house is complete. We have pink list plank, an orange roof, light blue windows, a pink door, an orange floor, blue walls, soft clouds, and green grass. Not only is the house colorful, but now we also know the function of each part. Great job, everyone! Thank you for coloring with me today. See you in the next coloring video. Bye-bye.